morning, students. Let us continue our chapter Pepper the Phantom Pet. We were on page number 83, so let us start from there. So the principal is saying, ha ha ha, yes, pepper, not garam masala, ha ha, yes, well, as I was saying, I think we must take this rare opportunity and get this monkey to school. So principal is saying that they have got a rare opportunity to get the monkey to school. Do you think your parents would mind? Ah, yes, maybe I should ring them up and get their permission. So principal is saying that I don't think so that your parents would mind. So I should ring them up and get their permission. Ah, yes, very good. So he takes out his mobile phone. Yes, excellent. Now what is your father's phone number? I am sure he wouldn't mind. Pia to audience. So now once again Pia is addressing to the audience and she is saying, oh, I am going to be sick. Oh, I am going to throw up all over the Princey. Help me someone. So Pia is saying that she is going to be sick because there was no monkey, and how Pia will able to bring the monkey to school. So principal, Pia, what's wrong with you? Not feeling well, dear? Then I would really better call your parents. Give me their mobile numbers. I will ask them about the monkey and then I will get them to take you home. How's that? So principal is saying that Pia, just give me the mobile phones of your parents. I will ask them about the monkey as well and I will ask them to take you at home also. Pia, immediately straightening up. No, sir, I am okay, I am fine. I'll ask my parents myself when I get home about the monkey, I mean. Principal, but my child, it may be appropriate if I call them, no? So Pia, no, not appropriate at all. Sir, you see, they both have very important meetings today. Just now, in fact, principal, both of them, right this very minute. So when principal asked Pia to call his parents, so Pia said that this is not the appropriate time to call both of them as they both must be having some important meetings. So principal said, at this very minute, both of them. Pia, this very minute, yes sir. Oh sir, I don't feel good. I think I will go lie for a while. Principal, you want to lie? What? Right here you want to lie? Pia, I am lying, sir. So Pia is saying that she is not feeling well and she want to lie down for some time. Principal, what? What is it? Oh dear, you don't seem well at all. I better get someone. Wait. Ah, look. There is your brother. He will help us. Don't worry now. My dear, help is at hand. Remind me of your brother's name, Pia. So principal is saying to Pia that your brother is also studying in this school and let me call him. So you just don't remind me, you just remind me of your brother's name, Pia. Then Pia, oh no sir, don't call him sir. Principal, why child? It's your very own brother. See, he will take you to the sick room. He can call your parents from my mobile and at the same time I can ask about the monkey. Now isn't that grand? Ah yes, Avik, yes, Avik, that is his name. Calling out Avik. I say, Avik, come here please. So principal remembered the name of his brother Avik and then he was calling the name Avik. So Avik, he was running up from right wing. Other children also gathered round to see what is happening. Yes sir, anything wrong sir? Is this sister of mine in trouble again? Principal, no. Pia, yes. Avik and others, what? So principal is saying no. Pia is saying yes. So that is why Avik and other students said what? As the principal reveals the story, Pia slowly sinks to the ground, her head in her hands. Then principal sir, he told the whole story to the other students as well as the teachers and his brother. So Pia, she slowly sinks to the ground. She sit down on the ground and her head in her hands. Principal, I think your sister is not feeling too well. I don't know what has happened. She seemed fine until I started asking her about your monkey. So principal is telling to Avik, I don't know what has happened to your sister. When I started talking about your monkey, From that time she is not feeling too well. A week, monkey. Others, monkey. Pia in a groan, monkey. Groan means sound conveying pain. Principal, I think we would better call your parents and let Pia rest at home. I think the excitement of talking about your lovely monkey garam masala has been too much for her. Ha ha. So what principal is saying? Principal is telling Avi that it is better to call your parents and let Pia take rest at home. So this is happening just because of she was getting too much excited talking about your lovely monkey. Garam masala. Avik said garam masala. Pia. Garam masala. Shama. Not garam masala, sir. Pepper. Shama told that the name of the monkey is Pepper. Principal. Ah yes, pepper, garam masala. Same thing, very spicy. Ha ha. So principal was joking. He said that both are the same thing, very spicy. Pia. Still groaning. Pepper. Avik. Pepper. I just don't understand what is going on. Principal. Ha ha. Yes, yes. You must be confused. What will all the garam masala and kali mirchi? Ha ha. But you see, beta, it's like this. Your sister Pia has created a sensation in school today by telling her class about your pet monkey, Pepper. Yes, a sensation, yes. So Avik was not able to understand anything what the principal sir was saying. So principal sir explained to him that your sister Pia has created excitement in school today by telling her class that she is having a pet monkey, Pepper. Pallavi, how cool. Avik, your uncle is a real dude for bringing a monkey all the way from South America for you guys. So Pallavi said that your uncle is too good. Who brought a monkey for you from South America? Pia on the ground, holding her heads in her hands, lets out a low moan. Avik looks at everyone, then bends down to his knees and taps Pia on her shoulder. So Avik was not knowing about any monkey because there was no monkey in their house. So in order to know the whole story, so he also sat down on his knees and he tapped Pia on her shoulder. Avik, so Pepper has gone to your head finally, has he? So Avik told Pia that Pepper is finally in your head. Pia nodding. Nodding means she said yes. Avik, what? Pia, she Pepper, the she monkey has gone to my head. Avik, please. So Pia was reminding Avik that it's a she monkey. Now Avik got everything. So what Pia wants to say. Avik stands up quickly. Pia holds onto his trouser leg, pleading. Pleading means begging, or we can say requesting. Avik, yes. Ah, yes, yes. This is what mom and dad were afraid of. When uncle got us a monkey, our parents were afraid that Pia would not be able to stand the excitement. They said it would drive her Betty, insane. It's finally hasn't it, Pia? So Avik said that their mom and dad they were afraid of because of the monkey, because Pia would not be able to bear the excitement. So it will make her insane, and that's the thing that has finally happened, isn't it, Pia? Pia nods. Nods means she says yes and doesn't say a word, still hanging her head down. Avik is now enjoying this. They were afraid that just such a thing would happen to her. She gets all silly when she is too happy, you see. She can't handle too much happiness. So what Avik said, Avik explained to the principal that Pia can't handle too much of happiness. So this has made her silly. Principal, I have never heard of such an ailment before. Too much happiness? Fancy that. So shall we send her home to rest? So principal is saying that he had never heard of such an ailment before, that too much happiness causes a person sick. How could it be possible? So that is why he is saying that let us send her home to rest. Avik, no, I think there would be nothing like a surprise maths test to calm her down. Don't you think, Pia? So Avik said that in order to calm her down, let us organize a surprise maths test for her, Pia. Avik explained to the principal that if we want to make Pia well, we would have to bring her level of happiness down, and taking a surprise maths test is the best idea. Pia throws him a dirty look. You see, the doctor said that the thing to do is to bring down her level of happiness. That's the only way to handle this, sir, believe me. Pia, don't you agree that a tough little maths test would sober you up nicely? So Avik asked Pia that, Pia, isn't it a tough little maths test would improve your condition? Ouch, as Pia pinches and punches his leg. Raises his eyebrows smugly and knowingly at Pia. Pia nods. Smugly means with an expression of being very pleased with something one has done or achieved. So here Avik was very happy. He was pleased as he has got something, or he has achieved something. Tell sir that that's just what you would like, Pia, please. Pia standing up. Yes sir, I would like to take a maths test to feel better, and there are one or two other things I would like to do. Glowers at her brother. Glowers means Pia looks with anger at her brother. Principal, a maths test? Why, I have never quite seen that as a form of medicine before. But beta, I was really wanting Pia, or you for that matter, to bring the monkey to school if that is possible. So principal sir again repeated the same thing, that he really wants to bring the monkey to school if it is possible. So Avik said, impossible. All, why? Please say yes. Don't be like that, Avik. No, actually it's all my silly sister's fault. My parents, knowing that she is so foolish and can't handle any excitement, so that is why they have sent the poor monkey back to South America. There was also a great hoo-ha about it being considered bad wild trade practice. It is illegal to take wild animals out of their habitat, you know. My sister and that uncle of hers, I mean ours, were going to be arrested for mistreatment of a wild animal. So in order to save her, we had to give her back. In fact, even as we speak, she is on a plane back to her home country and home jungle. So here Avik is explaining to the principal and others standing over there that they have already sent the monkey back to its home country and home jungle. We couldn't tell Pia about it, otherwise she would have become completely hysterical. Hysterical means uncontrollable. All including the principal. Oh, that's just too bad. Gosh, imagine old Pia was going to be arrested. Avik, yeah, I was kind of hoping that she would be. I wish I could have shipped her back to the South American jungles and kept the monkey instead. So then Avik explained the whole story, that he has sent that monkey to the South American jungle. Bell rings. Principal and teacher start shepherding the children towards the wings. Shepherding means they were sending the children towards their wings. Principal, well, that's the end of that. Too bad we won't be able to have such an exotic creature visit us. Now come on everyone, back to class. Avik, bye Pia, enjoy your maths test. See you at home. I think I am going to enjoy going home today. So here Avik is very happy as he will be blackmailing Pia at the house. He will be asking her to do different kinds of work. Teacher, come on everyone back. Please get back to class. Break time is over. As the children leave, dragging their feet unwillingly and muttering and grumbling. So why the children, they were going unwillingly and they were muttering and grumbling? Just because they all lose hope for the monkey to come to be at school. Pia moves back to her spot stage, downstage right. So Pia, what she is saying, oh well, I guess that ended the best it could. So Pia said that that whatever the end of the story, but at least it just ended. I am grateful to my brother. Grateful means I am thankful to my brother, of course, for saving me and lying for me and all that. But I think he could have been a little kinder. I mean, a maths test. That was really mean. I know for sure he is going to blackmail me now and make me give him chocolates from my share and my comics before I have read them and get him water in the middle of the night. But I guess it serves me right for monkeying around. Ah, well, but let me tell you, I sure did love Pepper the capuchin monkey, even if she existed only for a little while. So, with this line that she existed only for a little while, Pia means to say that at least they were talking about the capuchin monkey for some time. So, that is why it existed for a little while. Maybe I could write a story about her or a play and maybe become a famous writer someday. So this ends the play which was going on about Pepper the Phantom Pet. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.